Signs a girl wants you back. Signs that a girl wants you back can vary depending on the individual, depending to the specific circumstances of the relationship. However, here are some common signs that may indicate she wants you back. Increased communication. If she starts reaching out to you more frequently, through texts, calls, or social media, it could be a sign that she wants to reconnect. She wants to rebuild the connection. Initiating contact. If she takes the initiative to contact you first, it shows that she's interested in maintaining a connection with you. This could include asking about your day, sharing updates, simply checking in on you, showing interest in your life. If she asks about your personal life, if she asks your hobbies, if she asks your plans for the future, it indicates that she still cares about you. She wants to be a part of your life. Jealousy or possessiveness. If she displays signs of jealousy when you mention other people, mention potential romantic interests to others, it could be a sign that she still has feelings for you. She wants to be the one by your side. Physical contact. If she initiates physical contact, such as hugging, touching your arm, holding your hand, it suggests that she wants to reestablish a physical connection. She wants to restart intimacy with you. Reminiscing about the past. If she frequently brings up positive memories, inside jokes from your past relationship, it indicates that she cherishes those moments. She may be longing to recreate them, making an effort to look good. If she starts dressing up, putting more effort into her appearance, when she knows she'll see you, it could be a sign that she wants to impress you. She wants to regain your attention. Seeking emotional support. If she confides in you about her problems, seeks your advice, shares her vulnerabilities to you, it shows that she still values your emotional support. She trusts you. Wanting to spend time together. If she suggests hanging out, doing activities together, it demonstrates that she enjoys your company. She wants to rebuild the bond between you. Expressing regret or apologizing. If she acknowledges her mistakes from the past, expresses genuine remorse, apologizes for any hurt she may have caused, it indicates that she wants to make amends. She wants to start anew. Remember, these signs are not definitive proof that she wants you back, as every situation is unique. It's important to have open and honest communication. You need to understand each other's feelings and intentions clearly.